Well, need a lawyer? You may find one for free.
Ooh, that sounds great. Coming up, we'll tell you about an event featuring free legal advice.
A local law firm is offering free legal services this weekend. Joining me this weekend is Gerald Acker with Goodman Acker. Of course, you're familiar with all the ads on TV, and perhaps you know someone, like so many people in the community, who've had legal issues and have had to go to your good law firm. A little bit about this. This is great because people sit back and they go, man, I got a legal question, but I know this is going to cost me to simply walk up and ask it. And you guys are helping take that burden away, at least for a short time.
Yep, on Sunday we're going to do our annual Law Day event at our offices on 10 Mile Road between Greenfield and Southfield, and we're providing free legal services for folks. If you need an immigration issue or personal injury issue or a criminal matter or a family matter, divorce, child custody, bankruptcy, just about anything you need, we're going to have a group of lawyers there who are going to provide free legal services for the public.
So when people come, for instance, if someone does have, let's say, some kind of maybe a divorce that they're going through, and
Sure.
they right now are coming on hard times and they don't know how to move forward, for instance, you would be able to do what?
We're going to be able to meet with them, to talk with them, to figure out where they can go and how to get the services they need, whether it's the lawyers that we have there or someplace else. If they show up and they need help, we're going to figure out how to get them help.
And in the past, when you guys have done these events, I mean, how many people generally show up?
Last year we had 400 people show up.
Wow.
We'd go from 10 in the morning till 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and we've got people there all day long. And if you want to make an appointment, you can either dial our phone number 1-800-TRUSTED, or you can go to our website at goodmanacker.com, make an appointment, or if you don't have an appointment, just show up. Starting at 10, we'll have breakfast from Tim Hortons, and at lunchtime we're going to have food brought in by 97 the ticket. And you can come, meet a lawyer, get a second opinion, a first opinion, whatever you need, and make sure that you're taken care of. What's
one of the things that people out there may not realize that they actually have legal ground to stand on? A certain issue that they don't realize that they can actually take and make into a case that exists right now?
You know, it's an interesting part because most people don't seek legal services for most of the things that happen in their life. For instance, if you have a medical malpractice claim, over 90% of all the legitimate, honest claims, people never do. They never ask someone, they never question a lawyer, they never figure it out. Most people just shrug and take it on. And this is an opportunity for you to show up and ask your questions and make sure that you're taken care of.
So, for instance, even if someone out there may feel like perhaps they don't have a very strong case, they can come to this and they can say, look, here's the deal. This is what happened to me. What do you think? And they'll say, look, you have legal ground to stand on, right?
You do, or if you don't, you don't. You're going to get the honest opinions of some really fine lawyers who are showing up and donating their day. We're going to have almost 30 lawyers there to be able to provide assistance for folks, and it'll be a great event.
Well, a great event that's happening this weekend on Sunday. Gerald Acker with Goodman Acker, good to see you. Anything else you'd like to add?
1-800-TRUSTED to make an appointment, or goodmanacker.com to do it online. But show up, take care of yourself, and make sure that you're taken care of.
Take care of yourself and make sure you're taken care of. That's a good way to put it, and that's what's happening on Sunday. Good to see you. Thanks for joining us.